Hi everybody, I'm Victor Brick and welcome to today's Fit Tip. Try this simple exercise to reduce knee pain and back pain. A lot of people, especially as they get older, will experience some knee discomfort and some back discomfort. And there's a very simple exercise you can do to help relieve that pain as well as to help maintain your mobility. And really, for a lot of people, they don't realize how connected the ankles are to the knee and to the back. And with my trusty assistant here, my beautiful assistant, my lovely wife Lynn, we're going to show you a simple exercise you can do to keep your ankles loose and flexible, which in turn will help cushion the shock of walking or running, and thus help reduce the shock and the stress on the knees and on the back. The ankle is the first joint that comes into contact with the ground. And if the ankles are stiff, then the shock goes right to the knees, and if the knees are a little stiff or sore, it's transmitted right up to the back. So here's a simple flexibility exercise you should do every day. And the best thing to do is do it the first thing every day. You literally do it in the morning. We do it sometimes when we get out of the shower. We're there together. I won't go into details what we look like, but we do this simple exercise along with a couple of other simple stretches as well. But we do this one to maintain the flexibility in our ankles. And if you look at Lynn's feet, you just do 10 rotations of your ankle, first one direction and then the other. Okay, and you can do it in shoes, or you can take your shoes off. Obviously, when we're getting out of the shower, or if we're in in our pajamas, we do it with our shoes off, which you really get a better rotation. And you just do 10 rotations clockwise, 10 counterclockwise, and you'll be amazed how good this will feel. Do this. Stand up with me and try it. Let's do 10 rotations in one direction. It's this quickly. 10. Go ahead. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and then 10 the other direction. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you do the same thing for each foot. Now, do you feel how it actually increased your flexibility just a little bit and loosened your ankle up just a little bit? And then when you walk, the other thing along with this is when you walk, you make sure to go through the full range of motion. You actually want to force yourself to bounce a little bit, really get up on your toes and roll through your ankles. The main thing, the point here is to keep your ankles flexible. The other thing that we do, if you're running or if you're working out, if your knees are hurting you or your back's hurting you a little bit, don't just do something to loosen up your lower back. Take a second and do some rotations, whatever you're doing, even when you're wearing dress clothes, to loosen up your ankles. So we do it continually through the course of the day, not just one time. And like I said, you'll be amazed how the more you increase the flexibility of your ankles, the more it will help your knees and your back. So that's the Fit Tip for today. If you enjoyed this Fit Tip, please feel free to pass it to a friend. And for a text version of this Fit Tip, or for past Fit Tips and Uncle Vic's, you can visit our website at www.brickbodies.com. We close every Fit Tip with a corny joke. And today's corny joke is, what do you call a cow with no legs?
I don't know.
What do you call a cow with no legs? Ground beef.
Oh.
I told you it was corny. Until we meet again, see you at 100
Years, that is.